Hey everyone! This time we are getting a fish pedicure done and the spa is this. We are super excited to take you guys on a tour to this mesmerizing place. So welcome back to our channel, The Witty Rider, and today we're gonna explore one of the secret places in Goa, the Anjunan Dam, or more commonly known as the Keri Dam. This is another way to enter Goa from Karnataka. From this toll, the Keri Dam is hardly 10 minutes away. Right side of this bifurcated path leads to Karnataka and the left one will take us to our divine destination. Who does not like to ride on the roads of Goa? Clean roads, greenery on both sides. Wherever you turn your head to, there is some view waiting for you. We have similar experience awaiting us on this trip as well. There you see, that's the base of the dam and we're gonna have to leave our bikes here. We will have to walk uphill to reach the crest of the dam. Now that's the way to reach the pathway. This might seem like a huge flight of steps, but nah, it ain't that difficult. Did you guys hear us say that it wasn't difficult? Can we change our mind? Wait a minute. I think we won't have any regret at all because all the pain we took to get up here is absolutely worth it. Lush green forest, the water flowing through the jungle and going as far as it can, and on the other side, ocean looking water reservoir is extending till the far off mountain ranges, the clouds and their shadows on the mountain. No doubt it's truly amazing and reminds us of the fact that the nature's beauty is the best. So let's not wait and quickly get started to explore this beauty a little more. This dam is 42 kilometers from Panjim, beside the Sankhli Belgaum highway. Away from the usual hustle, this place is serene and peaceful to enjoy a great outing either alone or with your family and friends. One important note though, please remember to get a visitor's pass from the chief engineer. This is issued in Junta House in Panjim. Because then the guards at the dam will restrict your entry to it. We will surely include the address and the contact details in the description box. Next up is that place you see there long way off. It's like a small jetty and probably the best thing ever. So come on, let's check it out. Also, if you guys are planning for an overnight stay, then there are guest houses available from Forest and the Irrigation Department, which can be considered as a potential accommodation. But then again, you need to get the access from the Water Resource Department. We have now reached the jetty and a small boat is waiting to welcome us. heard about heaven maybe in stories or seen only in movies, but for us, this seemed no less than a heaven. Such stillness and calmness. This was definitely a goosebumps moment for us. Make sure this dam holds a place in your checklist when you're planning to visit Goa the next time. With that, a humble request to you all. Please say a big no to plastic and do not litter. Let us all take that first simple step towards preserving nature. We are not done yet. There is one small thing left to explore, and we are heading towards that. This is the opposite side of the dam, and those are the four spillways. The one at the right is open for now, and this water is used for irrigation. During monsoons, all the four spillways are open, and this water flow is very high. Probably we will not be able to walk till here. Hope this place was treat to your eyes like how it was for ours. This is all we had on today's episode of the Scary Dam. Let us know if you have any question on the roadmap or even if you need help with any itinerary for a tour in Goa. You guys can comment it or send us a message on our Insta ID. We have linked it for you in our description. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. More such videos on Goa are on their way. So see you guys in a short time. Bye for now.